Now, Alana Reid from Jamaica is now training in the United States of America, and the worst condition right now is that she is training with one of the best American sprinter, Sha'carri Richardson. She has been training for almost 3 months now, and now I feel like there are issues on ground because we have been hearing news and rumors that Alana Reid have started to be having issues with Sha'carri Richardson. This is not what we are expecting. This is never what we are expecting. But I don't know whether this news is actually true or not. But according to verified sources, Sha'carri Richardson is starting to get jealous about Alana Reid because Alana Reid is starting to do better than her, and a lot of people are not. A lot of Jamaicans are not happy with this news. A lot of Jamaicans are sad because Alana Reid is their own athlete. Alana Reid is their own, and they love Alana Reid so much. So Sha'carri being jealous of Alana Reid simply because she is outrunning her is not something that Jamaicans will be proud of. And I'm in support of that because a lot of Jamaicans are now suggesting that Alana Reid should have stayed in Jamaica and trained instead of going to the United States of America. Because I mean, Shelly and Fraser Price did not go to United States of America before she became the GOAT of female sprinting event. Ellen Thompson-Hira did not go to the United States of America before she became the fastest living woman alive. Sha'carri Jackson did not go to the United States of America before she becomes the fastest 200-meter runner alive. So I feel like this is the reason why a lot of Jamaican fans are starting to feel like, okay, Alana Reid should have stayed in Jamaica. Like, she should not have gone to the United States of America. For what? Now look what is happening and look what is on ground now. According to some verified sources, Sha'carri is having a very huge problem with Alana Reid. We don't know what exactly that is, but according to Sprint Factory, he said that there was a race that took place between Sha'carri Richardson and Alana Reid, and because of that race, Sha'carri felt like maybe Alana Reid is going to outshine, and also there is possibility of Alana Reid, you understand, going to be the next big star. And the Americans and also Sha'carri herself she's feeling intimidated. You know what it means when somebody you want to train is doing better than you. You know the feeling, right? You know how it feels. You're not gonna feel okay. You're definitely gonna feel intimidated by those people because you want to train them and now they are doing better than you. I feel like that is the state in which Sha'carri Richardson is into. And now, according to verified sources, people are suggesting Alana Reid to go back to Jamaica. There is no need of Alana Reid training in the United States of America. But as of now, we have not heard anything from the both athlete. Alana Reid has not yet come out to say anything, and Sha'carri Richardson has not yet come out to say anything. All this news we are hearing are from some of the YouTube channel pages and also from some of the news article verified social media platforms. But as of now, the two athlete has not yet altered any word. Let me know what you think.